after cap, you win the toss, and what would you choose to fast?
First of all, I am saying that that pitch is so tough and tight. Our city.
Can we see the pitch from the middle?
Yeah, yes, middle so
लैद पीछा करें
middle is much.
So very soundy pitch.
Yeah, this is very sound pitch, and I think this pitch is in favor of bowlers because soundy pitch is so hard, and all the balls are.
If bowler pitch on the good length, so they have to get good wickets. If the bowler choose the wrong area, then what would it will goes to help with the batsman?
Yeah, absolutely. Because if bowler not on good line, this is for his that is damage for our matches because batsman and wickets are in favor of.
So we was talking with the Musharfi Murtaza from the Bangladesh captain. Thank you very much. Yes, continue your talk. Just then next what would you say?
This time we are in Bwana ground, and I think to seeing my last performance, I think I am going on batting second down, two down, second
But
down.
you know what I am thinking? You need to rest for one match.
No, that is not fair because last time I played very well, and
If you can polish all the shoes with your tongue, then you can select in this match. Congratulations for this match. What a good spell by Akhtar. What are you thinking by this spell?
First of all, I thank our captain Mohammad Arif because he gives us a brilliant think about matches.
नहीं
हो गए सारे.
Funny, you are so young boy. Which is your batting order? मैं batting ना करता. Continue your talk.
I am 35 years old.
I am very poor boy.
उधर से चलाओ तो